Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel or Del Kitchen once again. This morning I'm gonna make something different. No more pastries and cakes for a while. This morning I'm going to make some baked chicken drumsticks and some roast potatoes, seasoned roast potatoes. So this is my ingredients I've got laid out for you. It's nothing much. Last night I seasoned my chicken. I washed my chicken down with lime and lemon, and I've seasoned my chicken, and all the seasonings are in there, guys. Really nice. It was subtle. It was soaking in my fridge all night, so all my spices and seasoning is in there. I've got my potatoes there as well. So what I'm gonna do with the potatoes, I've got a pot here on my cooker with some boiling water. The water is boiling, so I'm gonna put my potatoes in and to parboil, half boil my potatoes before I put them in the oven. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing at the moment. Half boil my potatoes maybe for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then I'm going to wrap them in some foil paper and stick them in the oven. So that's the potatoes there. With the chicken, I've got my hot oven preheating, and I'm gonna go ahead now and wrap my chicken in some foil paper in the pan and stick it in the oven. Okay guys, so stay tuned. This is my pan I would be using to roast my chicken. So there it goes. Get my foil paper. Okay guys, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to put my chicken in with all the juices flowing nicely. So I've got 7 pieces of chicken drumsticks. So all this juice is going into the chicken to help to cook it. Okay guys, let me show you. So that's my chicken there, all ready to go into the oven. My oven is all preheated, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the oven for about an hour so my chicken can roast and cook. So we'll be back, and there's my potatoes here all boiling. I'll give that about 2 more minutes, and then I'll take it out and I'll put this in a pan, season it, and put this in the pan and stick it in the oven as well. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. This is my potatoes. Yeah, it's half boiled. It was boiling for about 3 minutes. I took them out of the pot and I put them in a baking tray. So what I'm gonna do, once the potatoes are cooled down, I'm gonna season it with these seasonings. There's just a little bit salt, a pinch of salt to give it some taste, some all-purpose seasoning, and some thyme. Also, I'm going to rub some butter on it and then stick that in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes to roast and get all brown and crispy. So I'll be back with that next process. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is my finished product of my roast chicken drumsticks and roast potatoes. I'm so proud of this dish. Guys, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, go to my description box and give me a nice comment. Thank you for watching guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Goodbye. Stay safe and goodbye. Thank you.